Right. Today we did see India actually underperforming most of the major markets right now, and there seemed to have a kind of a fear which has gripped the market, and the benchmark indices were down 3%. What is happening in the market is that there seemed to have been some kind of a delayed reaction of the lockdowns which are happening in various parts of the country. It was Maharashtra, Bombay first, and now Delhi is also going towards stricter lockdown, partial lockdown or curfews, etc. Increasingly, market which was actually ignoring the impact and fears of COVID surge and how authorities will actually tackle it in terms of restricting movement of goods and people. And now the markets seem to be coming to terms with that. In fact, even various parts of the market strategists have also started talking about it. Barclays says close to $1.5 billion per week could be the GDP impact because of these stricter norms and partial lockdown. CLSA has gone on to say that autos, particularly two-wheelers, is an area which is actually an area of concern because the offtake has become very sluggish. In fact, dealer checks also show that steel, which is a big area which was in kind of a bull run of its own, the output will start getting impacted because oxygen cylinders from major steel companies actually are being diverted for health or medical usage. So they're impacted, the production would get impacted. So increasingly, market is getting nervous. And today's sluggishness and the feedback which we got from the market was that there's a delayed reaction, however short-lived it might be, because in the short term, market is like a voting machine, and in the long term, market is like a weighing machine. Yes, we are talking about positives like both the key weather agencies saying that it will be a normal monsoon. Q4 results mostly are healthy. Q4 updates were already very good. A strong Q4 quarter is already is something which people are expecting. But in the medium term, if you look at Mid Feb onwards, Nifty had gotten itself into a 700-800 point range. It was not falling off the cliff, but it was also not rallying away, making new highs. So people are really observing how the COVID situation pans out. In fact, there is also talk coming in that April end and May first week is when the peak actually happens. And in fact, if anything to be believed, then 4th of April, 11,000 or thereabout was the edition number in Maharashtra and Bombay in particular. It has started to taper off now. But whether really we peak out on COVID numbers in the last week of April or first week of May is something to watch out.